Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, today we are going to look into how to create button, make a link to the hyperlink. Contoh kan, kita nak create satu button, okay, tak kisahlah button ke, gambar whatsoever. Okay, when we press that button or gambar, dia akan bawa kita ke website tersebut. So we are going to look into that today insyaAllah. Okay, so just simply import that image. Okay, kita boleh import image to the stage first. Okay, so let's say I'm going to create a hyperlink to the quiz website. Okay, so I'm gonna import quiz logo lah dekat stage ni. Right, okay. Okay, so I'm going to put this logo here. As usual, we got to convert this to symbol. Okay, just simply click F8 ataupun boleh cari dekat modify. Okay, modify, convert to symbol. Right, so okay, make sure the type is button. Right, and then okay, and then we got to name the instance name here lah. Okay. Right. Okay. Next, we are going to go to the code snippets here. Okay, then action script. Okay, and actions. Okay, so ambil actions and then click to go to web page. Right, and then, so this is the instance name as what we have been given just now. Alright, so kita kena edit URL ataupun hyperlink yang kita nak create tu over here. quiz.edu.my. That's it. Okay, and then we just close this and this one. Okay, and we test it. Okay, so when we press this logo, then it will open a quiz website lah. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Selamat mencuba. Bye.